पर ओवरऑल हम कहेंगे कि आज जो समय की मांग है ये है कि उड़ीसा स्टेट में ऐसी सरकार हो जो मोदी सरकार के अच्छे पार्टनर हो, कि उनमें उतनी एनर्जी हो, उतनी कमिटमेंट हो, उतना, क्योंकि इस स्टेट में इतने रिसोर्सेस हैं कि जितने रिसोर्सेस हैं उसकी तुलना में यहाँ उतनी डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुई है, उतने मैन्युफैक्चरिंग उतना आगे बढ़ा नहीं है। तो हमें पूरी अपेक्षा है कि यहाँ की पब्लिक जो है, यहाँ के मतदाता जो हैं, एक तो मोदी जी के हाथ मजबूत करेंगे दिल्ली में कि हमें अच्छे मार्जिन से वहाँ दिल्ली में संसद में हमारा बहुमत इस समय उड़ीसा की मदद से हमारा टारगेट है 400 पार, और हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि उड़ीसा की पब्लिक, उड़ीसा के वोटर्स जो हैं हमें हमारा पूरा साथ देंगे। और साथ ही साथ उनका ये भी चॉइस होगा कि यहाँ की सरकार जो है भाजपा की सरकार बनेगी, ताकि ये ऐसी सरकार जो उड़ीसा का डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए, जितना यहाँ रिसोर्सेस हैं, जो मैंने कहा लोगों की टैलेंट है, जो पोटेंशियल है, उसके मुताबिक उड़ीसा जो है it will get its full potential, it will get an opportunity to work very closely and most effectively with Modi Sarkar in Delhi. So that is the expectation that we have from the coming elections, and I'm very confident that the people of Orissa will definitely repose their trust in Prime Minister Modi. Once again, I thank you all for joining me today. If there are any questions, I'll be very happy to answer. But let me summarize it in conclusion, that this is a state which has an enormous resource base. It has a tremendous culture. It is widely admired in the world and internationally. By making the Konark wheel the branding of the G20 in the world, we have today helped to stir international interest today in coming to Orissa. We hope that there would be many more opportunities for the tourism industry also to grow here. As a foreign minister, I want to say that I have had an opportunity to appreciate the talent and the skills of the citizens of Orissa abroad. We are very grateful to them, but we also have always stood by our obligations to them. So this visit of mine is definitely to add my voice to those of my colleagues, to our Prime Minister who will be coming here, to our party president, to other senior colleagues, that the people of Orissa make the right choice when they go to vote, that they will vote to strengthen the hands of Prime Minister Modi in Delhi by helping us to get past 400, and that they will also vote in a government, vote in a Bhajpa government, with which we in Delhi will be able to work very, very effectively. Once again, thank you very much.